How to enable dark mode on YouTube on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change or add a dark theme to your YouTube channel using your laptop or PC. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser, just make sure you have successfully signed into a YouTube account. And now all you have to do is just click on your profile section at the top right from over here, and you will see the option called appearance device theme. So what this means is I have set it my appearance as my device theme, which is the light one. So let me just change it to dark theme. Just click on this dark theme and it will be successfully changed into the dark mode, just like that. So that is one easy way to change your channel to from light mode or default setting mode to dark mode. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.